People who study astrology generally fall into one of two groups. There are those who genuinely try to divulge the secrets of the universe and the heavenly bodies and understand their unique relationships, and then transfer their insight to events on Earth. The second group includes con artists trying to make money from the naive and those eager to throw money at practitioners pretending to understand the universe. These tricksters then proceed to tell their clients what they want to hear, for a sizable fee of course. Their next step is telling people what they can do to avoid tragedy in their life or to improve their chances for success.
People are becoming increasingly concerned about the negative impact on health of chlorine in water supplies and swimming in chlorinated pool water. Have you ever noticed how dry your skin is after you swim in a chlorinated pool? Or that it's red or blotchy? And what about what it does to your hair? Chlorine is added to pool water to attack living organic matter, but we are living organic matter too. You should replace your swimming pool's existing filter system with an alternative non-chlorine system. This way you can stop the harmful effects of chlorine and still stop contaminants that find their way into your swimming pool water. The first but definitely not the easiest thought that comes to most people when they are neck-deep in debt is to file for bankruptcy. Filing for bankruptcy seems to be the last straw left in the deluge of unpaid bills and abusive creditor calls. The situation is somewhat like this: you buy whatever catches your fancy and you're thankful you have a credit card. It feels good as long as you're spending, but when it's pay time, you realize you're misdoing. Abusive creditor calls begin, you have trouble sleeping, so what do? File for bankruptcy. Sadly, more and more people are doing this today. There are two types of solar energy, thermal and electric. Thermal energy is all around us. It heats the earth, our bodies, and our homes, and it's free. Thermal energy is also used to heat water for domestic use. Electric energy uses the power of the sun to produce electricity through solar cells, otherwise known as photovoltaics. The advantages of solar energy are it is cost-effective and it's environmentally friendly. Likewise, the maintenance of solar energy systems is relatively low. The downside is the initial setup costs can be high and no energy is produced at night time. On cloudy days the production of solar energy may also be affected. Camping is a delightfully adventurous way to spend a break with mates or family. Camping basically means living in a tent pitched on flat, bare ground. The biggest plus is you can have a good vacation without breaking the bank. Unlike staying in a hotel, camping is not associated with hassles like deciding what type and class of room you need and whether you can afford it. Camping also takes you away from all the hurly-burly of the big, flashy hotels and lends you the opportunity to follow your own style. With camping, just decide what kind of grounds you want to go for and your preference for activities and amenities.
Biology is a fascinating subject to study. It is full of learning and it is also exciting since it involves the colorful world of animals and plants, which to most people are very interesting to learn about. Biological studies for students used to be primarily through books, but now they can learn also through online videos. Online videos really are an effective media for learning and education, in all fields, but especially when it comes to the natural world. With books, students often have to imagine how certain animals or plants look. Books may be illustrated, but videos are in motion, making it far more true to life in the eyes of the students.